Yes, sir. You already know this your boy Behaves. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, we don't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we're gonna be touching bases on Globalstar. That's ticker symbol GSAT. Is Globalstar still a buy or not? Let's go ahead and touch bases on it and see. Today we opened up at $1.95. We hit a high of 204. The low was 185. The 52-week high was 298. The 52-week low was 23 cents. So, Globalstar, is it still a buy or not? So, we're going to touch bases, look at the chart, see where this thing is headed in the short term, see where it's going in short term, and also see where it's headed in the long term. Then we're going to see the reasons for us buying Globalstar in the first place, because some of you may forgot on what happened, the news, why did we even buy in the first place, what they got going on. And last but not least, we're going to also see what Wall Street price target is on this stock and see what they got going on, and then we're going to see what they holding. So let's go ahead and get right into it, y'all. Globalstar. So on the chart, if we look at the chart, we traded at we closed at $1.84. From my prediction, from looking at this chart right now, and I go back, I'm gonna pull it up and show y'all. I see us falling down I see us having another nice panic in the morning. If we don't start regaining ourselves in pre-market, in the market, and when the market open, start regaining the losses from today, then I see a huge panic sell in the morning, all the way down to $1.23. That's our next resistance point. That's our next support point. My bad. That's from resistance from the run up before. That what our previous resistance was before this big run up. But now that would be our form of support at that 123. I see this falling from the 180 range all the way down to 123 if we don't get to turn around quick and early tomorrow around 123. So if anyone was in this, me personally, what BHs would do, which I already did, because I got into the other plays that I was just on the last video, AMC, and go watch the last video if you didn't yet to find out what the last play, the sympathy play off AMC is. So I sold all of my Globalstar and got into those plays, and I'm gonna get back into Globalstar, but I want to get in on a discount. I want to get in on a sale. So that's what I'm trying to tell y'all. This is my advice. If you in Globalstar, I would consider selling and re-entering for a cheaper price. It'll save me. Say if you in now at 180 and it's at 184, but it followed to 123 like I anticipate, that would save you almost 50-60 cents a share on your money. So you getting out and then getting back in, it's saving you 60 cents. So anyways, I see this falling to about 123 if we can see a quick turnaround. And once it falls to 123, we'll see how that levels holds up. And if that level hold up pretty good, I feel like we shouldn't go no lower than there. We could possibly go lower, but 123 is our first line of support. And then if we go on, and just so y'all won't be so nervous, know that Globalstar was trading in a $1 range around February the 9th, February the 8th, February the 7th. On that week, it was trading around the $1 range, $1, 123. It spiked it went from 123 and spiked up to $2.40 in like 1 to 2 days. So this stock was kind of overextended, like it ran off too quick. So it had to cool off and have a nice pullback. I told y'all, don't nothing go straight up, don't nothing go straight down. But I always wait on the pullbacks to get into your plays, so you won't be getting hammered like on this one. So if we ran up so fast and so quickly, that would be a good reasoning for why we seeing this drastic pullback right now. So, and let's not forget that we blew past our all-time high in the mix of this run. Last week, we blew straight past. If we look back on the 5-year chart, May 20th, 2016, our all-time high was $2.62. We blew past that, so we done reached that, and I'm pretty sure we can reach it again. And the next time we reach it, I don't think we're coming back down. So now let's get into why did we even buy Globalstar in the first place. Some of you may forgot, but this was the news that was released to me buying anyway. So let's look at it. Globalstar extended its 2-day surge to 142% at intraday highs on Wednesday before pairing gains. The jump of Globalstar came after the company said Qualcomm will use its band N53 technology in a new 5G modem called the X65. So that's when the jump came in Globalstar anyway, whenever the company Qualcomm said it would use Globalstar technology for the new 5G modem. So Globalstar, for the ones that know, is a satellite communication company that focus on IoT, the Internet of Things, solutions for customers in 120 countries around the world. Now, also check this out. Check this out, you guys. With Qualcomm support, Globalstar will be able to expand its device ecosystem significantly. This will allow the company to include the majority of popular smartphones, laptops, tablets, automated equipment, and other IoT models in its networks. So let's carry on, y'all. Now let's see what the Wall Street analysts put a price target on this thing at. Okay, remember what I told y'all, they like to hate on these companies in public, but they be buying the shit out of them in private. So let's see. The one analyst offering 12-month price forecast for Globalstar Inc. have a median target of 55 cents with a high estimate of 55 cents and a low estimate of 55 cents. The median estimate represents a negative 74% decrease from the last price of $214. So from the price this thing is at now, they saying this thing is way overvalued. That's what they mouth say. But now let's see what they pockets doing. So let's check it out, y'all. Institutional ownership 17.2%. Increased positions 10.4 million shares. Decreased positions 5.8 million shares. Held positions 272.5 million shares. Wow. Total institutional shares 288.8 million shares. So out of 288.8 million shares, they decrease and downsize their position 5.8 million shares. Pocket's doing something different. I'm telling y'all. New positions 4.4 million. Sold out positions 1.4 million. So that's all I got for y'all in this video. Just want to give y'all some insight on about where Globalstar is going and where it's been, and the news and the updates and all that good stuff on the reasoning for us buying Globalstar in the first place, because I know some of you may forgot. So the price target, my short-term price target on Globalstar, I see it actually falling down to the low 120 ranges, 120 range, probably hit that 123, 125 as a new form of support. See how we hold there. But long term, I see Globalstar reaching that 265, that all-time high again. I see it reaching that and probably doubling from there, reaching 5. And you know what to do when it hit 5. That's when the big boys really start getting in. So you already know. It's your boy B Hayes. If you like these type of updates, these type of predictions, you found the right place. Consider joining the family. You already know. Much love. We out, y'all. God bless.